David De Gea's girlfriend Edurne Garcia sizzles in holiday snap as Manchester United keeper trains in Washington, D.C. Edurne Garcia showed boyfriend David De Gea just what he was missing out as he trained in Washington, D.C. The Manchester United keeper is busy in pre-season training with Jose Mourinho's squad, but Spain's Got Talent presenter Edurne is still on her summer holidays. Edurne Garcia stunned fans with a beautiful bikini shot while on holiday. The Spain's Got Talent presenter has been dating Manchester United keeper David De Gea since 2010. And the 31-year-old stunned fans with a gorgeous bikini shot that she posted to her Instagram account. She has been to numerous sun-kissed locations over the last couple of months, having enjoyed a break with the keeper in June. The pair went to an unknown destination, with De Gea sharing an image of Edurne covered only in bedsheets with the caption, "My paradise." De Gea, who has dated Garcia since 2010, is currently stateside with his United teammates and was hard at work having switched coasts. The squad were in California last week, but after wins over Manchester City and Real Madrid, they have now flown across to the East Coast of America. United are in Washington, D.C. for a quick stop. De Gea is currently on preseason training in Washington, D.C. De Gea was on holiday with Edurne last month. The pair at the United end-of-season awards in May. De Gea captioned this image of Garcia paradise. The 31-year-old, second from bottom, presents Spain's Got Talent. She is a huge pop star and actress in Spain. The happy couple with their dog. Edurne, whose last album reached no one in Spain, with another dog. They play Barcelona in the early hours of Thursday morning at FedEx Field, the home of the Washington Redskins, before flying back to Europe to face Vålerenga in Norway. United face two more matches before their Premier League season kicks off against West Ham on August 13th. They first face Sampdoria in Dublin, Ireland, before facing Real Madrid again, this time in the UEFA Super Cup in Skopje, Macedonia. Edurne is believed to want De Gea to leave United and return to Madrid. She denied that she said Manchester was uglier than the back of a fridge. Edurne is believed to be a key factor in the possibility of De Gea joining Los Blancos. She is said to hate Manchester, and spends a lot of time in Madrid. The pop star, whose last album reached no one in Spain, sparked controversy in 2015. It was claimed she agreed with someone who said that Manchester is uglier than the back of a fridge, but later denied she had said so. Paul Pogba says he wants Manchester United to be as good as they were back in the day.